Welcome to GT Travel Insights. We recently visited the Four Seasons in Cyprus, Limassol. Four Seasons are luxury hotels and resorts that you can find all over the world. From first sight, the hotel screams luxury, with all the supercars parked outside. Every day there was a new car to admire. We were greeted by friendly staff with delicious welcome drinks. There were 5 restaurants and 5 bars. We tried majority of them and can't complain about anything. The ambience and service was everything you would expect. We had breakfast included with our room, and it was something I looked forward to every day because of the coffee, fresh juices, and the amount of food choice. They have spa and leisure facilities and, of course, an outdoor pool and an open beach area, along with areas to play sports such as paddleboard, basketball, and a few others. The spa facilities were never overly packed, which meant that we got to enjoy these nearly every day. It was also only a few minutes drive from the city centre, which was nice to go for lunch and a walk around the marina during the day, but also wonderful for dinner or a cheeky dessert in the evening. For my ratings, I'd give the location 4 out of 5, only because you do really need a car to get around. Cleanliness 5 out of 5. Pricing 4 out of 5, as it is on the pricier side, but definitely worth it. Facilities 5 out of 5, comfort 5 out of 5, staff 4.5 out of 5, so overall I'd give it a 4.5 out of 5. For the rest of the video there'll just be some music playing. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.